Island Village at Celebration. It's finally here. I was excited, but not excited anymore. Anyway, please check out the videos that I have for it, and if you have any questions about any other communities over in the Orlando area, Central Florida, or pretty much anywhere, please don't hesitate to reach out and contact me. And thanks for watching, and thank you to all my customers that have purchased a home. I do appreciate it. Have a great day. Hey everybody, this is Rich Noto, Florida licensed realtor, Florida licensed home taker, Notary Public. I'm over in Celebration at the Island Village from Mattamy Homes. I'm gonna give you a quick video of this home. Very nice, very nice. When you first walk in, just a ton of room. It's almost like there's a whole room over here when you first walk in. You can see the two seats on the left. And just how much space there is. Well, excuse me, the one seat on the left. I'm gonna take this to the right. I have an office over here. So I'm making this video as a thank you to my customers that have purchased a home through me and still watch the channel. Also those that I am working with and my subscribers. I do appreciate it. I appreciate your business. I'll go straight across and check this out. And I have not been in this home yet. I always do like to make the video without seeing them first for the best possible reaction. Definitely one of the largest master bedrooms I've seen in a long time. Very, very big. Wow. Check out this garage. Oh boy, it's a big one. Two-car garage. Got some extra space on each side of the door. A very nice kitchen. Pantry looks like it's a decent size. Yeah, you got shelving on both sides. Gonna walk back to give you an opposite end view. Let's go upstairs to the, let's go up to the second floor, should I say. I was gonna say, let's go up the stairs. Please do check out my website at wintergardenew.com. That's wintergardenew.com, where you can find the latest homes for sale at the bottom of each community's page if it is listed on the MLS. There's also a lot of information on my website to help you along the way. And of course, the best method is to always contact me first before you contact any home builder. When you contact home builders, you may void your paid for by the builder, which makes it free to you representation, realtor representation, my representation. As a home buyer's agent, I do not work for any home builder. Hear that air conditioning. Oh, air conditioning isn't hooked up right. Here's a little tip. If there's suction on the door where your air conditioning unit is, then something's wrong. It shouldn't have suction like that. What I mean is this. See, the door's shutting on its own. Yeah, something's not right. Star Wars room, very nice. Very nice home, I like it. Now, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out and contact me. I'm No Pressure Sales, and I do work for you and represent you as a home buyer. I do not work for any home builders or represent them. They always work for the builder. And what I mean by they is these salespeople, these sales teams that work at the builders. Now, when you contact me first before heading over to the builder, you won't void your free representation, okay? Now, the home builders everywhere do pay for it, but many of them have certain rules and regulations where your realtor needs to be the one to enter the office with you, or even sometimes if you email or call builders, that can void your free realtor representation. Now, one of the great things about calling me first as well is that I like to work with the sales associates that are the best at the builders, the ones that have really good knowledge of the place and also are very low pressure, nice to work with. That's super important. The other thing in the process is, your money. You always want to keep your money safe. Many times home buyers call me after the fact. They contact me when it's too late. They're in a contract and they have problems, and now they're trying to get help from me. And many times they've seen my videos, which they openly tell me. They've seen my videos and then they end up telling me, you know what, you are 100% correct. I wish I contacted you. Now I'm in this situation. So contact me first. Let's have a nice process of finding you a home, a safe process where your money, everything that you do with your money, when you put it down, everything's done correctly. And then after you're in contract, let's make sure that your home is also assembled correctly. A home that isn't assembled correctly and is built poorly, that's not something that you want. So for me, for my home buyers, those are my concerns. I want you to have a nice experience in the beginning. I want you to have the best sales associates where possible. I want you to have a nice process going into the contract. Everything is done safe. And then after that is the home building process. So there's going to be several things along the way that I'm going to do to help you in that. So, don't miss out on it. For you don't pay for the service. You're not going to miss out on any incentives or lose them because you use my service at a builder. The only thing that you will do is you'll miss out on everything that I offer you in the process, because Home builders do not reduce the price of a home because you pass on using a realtor. It just doesn't work that way. And many times you end up with the best deals because I'm there with you and I'm able to ask the right questions, okay? Asking the right questions and knowing what to say and how the deals work is super important. So don't be shy. Give me a call, email, or text. Thank you.